Hello everyone, welcome back to again my channel Royal Interior World. In today's video, I'm going to share with you more than 100 room divider or smart wall partition idea for your home. Viewers, whether you live in a studio apartment or have an open kitchen plan that you would like to do more with, a well-placed partition design can do wonder to enhance the storage aesthetic appeal, privacy and functionality of the space. If you are looking at something modern that looks stunning in your home, then look at the smart room divider idea that work well for every room in your home. I hope friends you will like all the design and ideas that I have shared in the video. If you really like the video, you can like it and share it. If you are new on this channel, then you can subscribe this channel for more such type of home interior designing ideas. In the video, we are going to discuss about some smart wall partition idea that looks stunning in your home. On number first, we have a room divider idea for your foyer or entrance. Decorate a simple foyer with some stunning room divider ideas. All you need a flat wall divider design that creates a sense of privacy, thus limiting direct view of the living area to entrance. The open slat partition facilitates an organic flow of light and space. Moreover, add planter and wall decor to give the space some character. Friends, in the video, I have shared many ideas based on this concept. You will find many designs with slat wall dividers. They are perfect for your foyer or entrance idea. Next idea we have for your living room. A minimal wall divider design will look perfect in modern flats. If you are looking for room separator idea for your living room, opt for glass doors. If you want more privacy, you can opt for frosted or opaque glass. So viewers, a glass partition idea for your living room is a perfect option just because glass allows free flow of light in your living room. Next idea we have with the wooden wall partitions. Wood is a favorite among Indian homeowners. So if you want to give a traditional twist to your interior, choose a wooden partition. Wooden room divider idea looks stunning in both small flats and large villas. Elevate your partition with the right decor. The wooden partition complements the ceiling rafters. So if you have a false ceiling design with rafters, then a wooden partition look extremely well matched with these type of ceiling designs. Next idea friends, we have a room separator idea with a freestanding shelves. Looking for a room separator idea that can also help with storage and display. After for a partition design with freestanding shelves, you can use these shelves to display your decor items. These type of designs are perfect for your foyer or your living room, drawing room or hall. In the video, I have shared many ideas based on this concept. I hope you will find useful these designs. Friends, if you are looking for a simple design, a simple divider design is always a winner, especially in modern flats. Choose room divider idea that complement the decor of your home. A partition with simple slats look elegant while also offering privacy. In the video, I have shared many simple room divider idea that will work for you. We have a next idea with partial glass wall dividers. After for partial glass partition, if you want a unique wall divider idea, a partial glass divider will also help in opening up the space, making your living room look spacious. A partial partition will provide privacy while not taking up too much space, especially suitable for apartments or small size living rooms. Next idea we have with the foldable floor to ceiling drapes. In these days, you will find foldable wall partitions for your living room or hall. They are not only cost effective but also work and functionality well in your living rooms. This type of collapsible or foldable partition is a great die options. After for a folding room divider in wood, this is the easiest solution that will give you some privacy in your kitchen too. In the video, I have shared many ideas with foldable wall dividers. Friends, if you don't need a separate partition to create some privacy between your kitchen and the dining room, all you need are some statement hanging lights placed strategically to demarcate the space. A false ceiling can also work as a demarcation in your between your kitchen and the dining area. You can also choose a room divider idea with statement lights that look stunning for a kitchen and hall partition. Next idea, we have a wooden wall dividers. Wood is always a winner. If you want a wall divider design for your bedroom, opt for something in wood. This will add a warm and cozy vibe to your space for a boho touch to your bedroom. Friends, if you want a die partition idea for your puja room or anywhere else in your home, hang some drapes in your favorite colors like white. This is cost effective option that will also look elegant. A fabric partition idea is a great way in cost effective. Viewers, if you are looking for a wall partition idea for your puja room, then Jali is a great partition idea for your mandir. Ensure that Jali matches the aesthetic of your puja room. Give any of these innovative and imaginative room divider idea a shot. Friends, you can also choose MDF jalis for your living room or hall. They look stunning and great in living room or halls too. Next idea that we have, friends, that is metal partition idea, also called Chinese partition or room dividers. These type of partition ideas are sleek and designer in different ways. You will find many examples in the video based on this concept. They are new in India but look great in your living rooms. The main advantage of these type of partitions, they are sleek in designs, so they require less space. They are perfect for small hall or living rooms. I hope friends you will like all the design and ideas that I have shared in the video. If you really like the video, you can like it and share it. If you're newbie on this channel, then you can subscribe this channel for more such type of design and ideas. You can also write in comment box if you really like the video. Thank you for visiting here. Enjoy the video. Bye bye.